see, students, the nature's wonder that so many small egrets are sitting here, which are the baby birds. The wonderful sight we have got here, you see. So many birds are sitting at one place and they are chirping. They have come up now from the eggs. So they are sitting together. What a wonderful sight we are having, as you can see. The birds have made nests on these trees, as I will show you here. Different nests are there of the birds, and in these nests the eggs are laid, and then in the initial stages, as the birds are not able to fly, so they have all come together on this broken twig and they are sitting here nicely. So enjoy this wonder of nature and more from your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. So stay tuned to the channel and love nature, be close to nature. Love all these plants, animals and birds. It's really a wonder to have them close to us. See some baby birds here, they are not able to fly properly. So they have come down and they are sitting on small twigs, or we should say old branches, dried branches of tree. So it's a natural wonder for us, as we can get so many birds here together. So enjoy seeing these birds and love nature and be close to nature. And stay tuned to your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. Students, I hope you are able to see the birds sitting on their nests on the trees. It's such a wonderful sight. The birds are getting their shelter on these neem trees. So many birds are sitting there. So many birds are there with their nests on the trees. As you can see, their nests are on these trees. So trees provide shelter to so many birds and squirrels, monkeys. So we should not cut the trees. We should grow more trees around us. There is a wonderful birdhouse made on the trees, and these trees provide shelter. As you can see, man has made this birdhouse. Otherwise also all these trees provide shelter to the various birds, these fruits, flowers which are provided by the trees. Some broken eggs of the birds can be seen here, as the nest, from the nest the eggs might have fallen down and got broken. And some small baby birds you can see here. They are enjoying nature and being in themselves. They appear so good. More birds are there, and so many are there on the trees. As you can see here, the birds have made their nests on the trees. So their babies can be seen on the grounds like this, and they are enjoying here without the presence of man. In the early mornings they can be seen here roaming like this. Birds sitting on the twigs, they appear so beautiful, huddled together, and with their very white furs, and in this natural surroundings they look very beautiful. You can see some of them are on the trees also, as their nests are present on the trees. Enjoy seeing all these beautiful creations of nature from your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. Stay tuned and let's love nature. See students, small baby birds are there sitting together. So many baby birds are there. And there is a small bird which is perched here. See how it's trying to open its wings. Looks so beautiful with white feathers. These are a type of egret varieties. The small baby birds are there and they look so beautiful sitting together. So enjoy viewing them from your own channel, that is Unique Learning. Flock of these egrets are there. They are enjoying the beauty of the nature and roaming about freely in the morning after the monsoon. So birds and animals are actually close to nature, and we should also be close to nature, as nature provides us so many good things. So be close to nature, love nature and grow plants and trees. See these birds which are roaming about so freely near the nature, and they have got their nest on these trees. So what a wonderful sight it is. Students, you can see. So know more about the birds and the trees. So trees provide all the habitat to all the birds. That's why they are roaming freely near these trees. Students, I hope you are able to see that one small bird has died and maybe it has fallen down from the nest of the tree. So we should pray for the body of the bird, and we should pray that for its soul to rest in peace, and we should not harm the nature, as once these birds die, they are a part of a big food chain. So we will also be affected if any organism goes away from the chain. So try to protect these birds and animals and trees, and grow more and more trees so that these organisms can get shelter and habitat.